If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat support code SS07, you've come to the right place. So as you can see, I can easily open my Snapchat. I can use it through like sending snaps, receiving snaps. So it works for me, but sometimes you can receive like errors, which is called SS07 because of suspicious activity or something like this. So how can you try to fix it? Basically, I have some steps you need to follow to fix this problem and to be able to use your Snapchat. Basically, first thing I'm going to recommend you is that you need to check your Snapchat on App Store or Google Play and open the official page. Make sure that you have the latest version of a Snapchat because sometimes they do not support like old versions and you can receive different like support codes or something like this. So if you have like update or upgrade button right over here, make sure that you've downloaded to the latest version. The next thing we need to do is that we need to open our settings. Also on the Android, it may look a little bit different, but we need to scroll down to find a Snapchat right up here. So we need to disable a background app refresh and then just simply turn this function on. It's really important, and make sure that you're not like in a low battery mode because sometimes it won't be available as for you. The next thing we need to do, we need to go back to the previous page and then just scroll up to find general, and here go to iPhone storage. On the Android, you need to find your storage settings, storage parameters. So we need to wait until all the data will be uploaded on our device. And after that, we need to manage something on Snapchat storage settings. So it may take a little time, depends on your data amount and so on. We need to find a Snapchat here. And as you can see, we have two options. We can delete or offload app. We need to click on offload. And as you can see, it says it will delete the app, but keep its documents and data. So we need to click on offload app. And in a few seconds, the app will be deleted, but we still have all the data. We need to click on reinstall app, and we need to wait until it will be uploaded from basically App Store. And after that, we'll successfully fix this problem. So we'll be able to use our Snapchat, but we need to wait until it will be like reinstalled. So yeah, this is a way of how to fix SS07 support code on a Snapchat. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.